Oh, brothers and sisters, turn in your Bibles to the book of Turkey, the first chapter and the 27th verse. It reads on this wise. Oh, taste and see that the turkey is good.
Ha!
Blessed is the man who eateth it. If I could just stop right there for a moment and tell you that your next blessing is in the leg. Somebody wave your wing and tell God thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, I can't hear nobody wave your wings and tell God thank you. Well, brothers and sisters, aunts, uncles, god brothers, and godmothers, I have come by way of the Turkey-bound train, all the way from Turkish Ireland, to let you know that God has a blessing for you. Oh, I can't get a witness nowhere. I said there is a blessing for you. Tune in next week for our other service entitled Wings to Heaven. God bless you, and as always, thank you for tuning in.